Okay. Since we have finished the syllabus that is going to come in your examinations, okay, we have revised them also and practiced many times. Okay, so here likely what we are going to do is today is that you have to memorize each and everything again that we have done. That what definition for the pure and impure substance. I'm just writing that what you have to memorize. And lastly, we will do the concentration terms. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to memorize the pure and impure substance. What are pure and impure substance in terms of chemistry? Pure substance. Second is you have to write it. Difference between elements and compounds, compound and mixtures. Do it, please. Pure and impure substance. Memorize the definition. If you don't have any notes, and then I can help you. Difference between elements and compounds and mixtures, and difference between colloids and suspensions. Sorry, colloids and true solution. Colloids and true solution. And true solution. Memorize this, please. Yes, you Anam. Are you memorizing?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to ask you the difference. What are pure and impure substance? Is there any student in the class who don't have the notes of all of them? Yes, memorized. Is there anyone who has done? Anam, turn on your camera. Done? Anyone? Hanan, you done? Anam, you are muted. Yes, done. Okay. Yes, you. Bharti, tell me what's the difference between impure and pure substance?
Uh, so
What,
pure substances only consist of one type of molecules, and impure can
pure,
consist of two or more substances.
impure substance consists of two or more substance. Okay, good. Impure substance means pure substance is one which is going to have only one kinds of atoms. Okay, one kinds of particles, atoms and molecule. Particles comes under the same category, atoms and molecules. And impure substances are those that consist of different kinds of atoms or different kinds of substance mixed together, and they are physically bonded. Okay, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you, Sarah. What's the difference between pure and impure substance?
Sir, can you give me just one more minute?
Okay. Yes, you, Saad. What is the difference between pure and impure substance?
So the pure substance only contains one kind of atom or molecules, and an impure substance contains two or more different kind of molecules and atoms.
Two or more different kinds of.
Molecules or atoms.
Okay. Yes, you, uh, Anam. What is the difference between pure and impure substance?
The pure substances are made up of only one kind of atom or molecule, while impure substances are made up of more than one kind of atom or molecule.
Like you can say that what hydrogen in water, hydrogen and oxygen. Water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. It is made up of two different kinds of atoms. So it is not an. It is also pure substance. In pure substance is one which is made up of only one kinds of substance. Or understood? Yes or no? Like in pure substance, we have compounds and elements come under this category. Compounds, pure substance, compounds and elements comes under this category. Compounds and elements come under this category. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
so because they are this water molecule is going to have, this is also considered to be a single particle. It is a molecule. Okay, an element that is going to have same kinds of atoms. Okay, like carbon, silver, gold, platinum, sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen. So we'll simply say here that those substance that are going to have only one kinds of atoms, sorry, one kinds of particles or same kinds of particles. And if these particles are made up of different substance, they should be chemically bonded. While in impure substance are those substance that is that consist of different kinds of particles. Okay, and they are physically bonded. You have to mention that what they are physically bonded in impure substance. If they are going to have different kinds of atoms, they are should be physically bonded. Okay, they different means when two or more different kinds of substance mixed together, they are considered to be as or impure substance. Generally, mixtures comes under this category. Okay, yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
write down the definitions of pure and impure substance properly in your copy. Then I'm going to ask you everyone that what is the definition for pure and impure substance in your own word. Don't cheat from anywhere. I will check it in from internet if you have cheated from somewhere. I will check it. Do it. Are you noting it down? Done? Noted? Done? Noted? Sarah? Not noted. Noted fast. Done? Saad? Noted? Okay. Read your answer.
So pure substance are the type of substances which contain only one kind of atom or molecule, and impure substances are the type of substances which contains two or more different kind of atoms or molecules.
Two or more different kinds of items or molecule. Okay. Yes, you, Hanan. And yeah. And about the physical and chemical bond. Pure substance. In pure substance, if there are two different kinds of atoms are there, then they are chemically bonded. While in impure substance, when there are two or more substance, they are physically bonded. Okay. Yes, you, Hanan. What's your answer?
Pure substances only consist of one type of particles or atoms,
while impure substances are made up of several different types of particles or atoms which are mixed together.
Okay, very good. Yes, you, Sarah, what's your answer?
The pure substance consists of only one kind of atom and they are chemically bounded together.
One kinds of
And
atom, you cannot say one kinds of atoms only. It is one kinds of, it is not, it is one kinds, they can have different kinds of molecule also. Like in molecule, you see that there is water, there is hydrogen and oxygen are present. So simply we can say here, okay? You understood?
yes, sir.
Yes, you, Bharti, what's your answer?
Pure substances are which consist only a single molecular atom. Impure substances consist of two or more different types of molecules or atoms physically bonded.
Very good. Okay, next. Here we have the next I told you to write is the definition between elements and compound. What is the difference between elements and compounds? What are elements and what are compounds? So elements are those substances that consist of only one kinds of atoms, while compounds are those substances that consist of two or more different kinds of elements chemically bonded together. Okay, if I'm talking about the elements and compounds, so we'll go through this one that the elements are those substances that consist of only one kinds of atoms, one kinds of atom, while compounds are those substances that in which two or more different kinds of atoms are chemically combined, bounded. Okay, elements cannot be broken further into simpler form, while compounds can be broken into its simpler form by chemical methods only, not the physical methods, by chemical methods only. Okay. So write down the definition. Done? Anam, you done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what's the difference between elements and compounds.
So elements are made up of only one kind of atoms that cannot be broken down into simpler forms, while compounds consist of two or more kind of elements that are chemically bonded together and can also be broken down into simpler methods by chemical methods.
Good. Yes, you, Bharti. What is the difference between elements and compounds?
Elements are made up of only one kind of atom and they cannot be broken down into simpler substances. Compounds are when two or more elements are chemically combined and they can be broken down into simpler only by chemical methods.
Very good, very good. Wonderful. Yes, you, Saad. Elements and compounds definitions.
Yes, elements are made up of only a singular atom and cannot be broken down.
Singular word you are not going to
While
use. Elements are those substances that consist of same kinds of atoms.
okay, so same kinds of atoms which cannot be broken down, and the compounds are made up of several elements which are chemically combined together and can be broken down by chemical methods.
Yeah, it can be simplified. Yes, you, Sarah.
The elements are those substances which are consist of only one kind of atom, and they cannot be broken down into simpler form. Whereas uh, compounds consist of two or more kind of elements or atoms which are chemically combined together, and they can be broken down into simpler form by chemical methods.
Okay. Next, yes, you, Hanan. Elements and compound.
Elements consist of only one kind of atom, while compounds are made up of two or more elements which are chemically combined. Elements cannot be broken by further, while compounds can be broken down further by chemical methods.
Okay. Yes. Write down a definition. Now, what are compounds and mixtures? What is the difference between compound and mixture? So I'm showing you the slide. You have to do it from there. Just a minute. Compound and mixtures. So as you are very much familiar with compound and mixtures, compounds are those substances that in which the two different kinds of substances are there, but they are chemically bonded. But in mixtures, there are two or more different kinds of substances are there, but they are physically bonded. In compound, the constituent from which the compound is made up of do not show their property. Like hydrogen gas, when react with oxygen gas, it will gives you water. Water does not resemble the property of hydrogen gas, which is a fuel, but water does not burn. And oxygen gas, which help in combustion, but water does not help in combustion. Or instead, it extinguishes the fire. It is doing opposite. So we can simply say here that that's elements are those substances. Sorry, compounds are those substances which consist of two or more different kinds of atoms. Okay, two or more different kinds of atoms, and the constituent do not, and they are chemically bonded, and the constituent do not show their property. Means these atoms in a compound do not show their properties. While in mixtures are those substances that are made up of two or more different kinds of substances. They are physically bonded together, and in this the constant show their property. While in compounds, elements combine together in a fixed ratio by mass in a definite proportion. But uh in mixtures, they don't show their property. They don't combine together in a fixed ratio. They don't have any different any ratio. Compounds have molecular formula, but mixtures don't have any molecular formula. Compounds have fixed melting and boiling point, but mixture don't have fixed melting and boiling point. Compound is in compounds, elements can be separated by can be separated by chemical methods only. But in mixtures, substance can be separated by physical methods like filtration, evaporation, sublimations. Okay. So try to write down, try to memorize, and try to write it down. Done? Done, everyone? The difference between elements and compounds? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, you, Sarah, read your answer, please.
The compounds are elements which are chemically combined together in
You
a
cannot
fixed
say,
ratio.
you cannot say, okay, just, you are checking in the copy, okay? Okay, next.
The compounds are elements which are chemically combined together in a fixed ratio by mass, whereas mixtures are physically combined together but in a non-proportionate manner.
Very good.
And compounds are in compounds constituents do not show their property, whereas in mixtures constituents show their property. And in compounds, the constituents can only be separated by chemical methods, whereas in
Okay,
mixtures, uh, constituents can be separated by simple physical methods such as filtration. And in compounds, there is a fixed formula for constituent and a fixed melting point and boiling point, whereas in mixtures, there is no fixed formula, melting point, or boiling point.
good, very good. Yes, you, Hanan, read your answer, please.
In compounds, elements are chemically combined together in a fixed ratio by mass, while in mixtures, elements are physically combined together in without a fixed ratio. The component of compound don't show its property, while for mixtures it shows. The components of compound can be separated by simple physical methods such as evaporation, filtration, etc., while in mixtures it is possible to separate them by simple physical methods. Compounds have fixed formula, fixed melting and boiling point, while mixtures have no fixed formula, boiling point, or melting point.
Good, very good. Yes, you, Anam.
So the elements of compounds are chemically combined together in a fixed ratio by mass. The elements of mixtures are physically combined together in a non-proportionate manner. Constituents of compounds don't show their property, while the constituents of mixture show their property.
Yeah.
Compounds have a molecular formula, a fixed melting point, and a fixed boiling point, while mixtures don't have a molecular formula, fixed melting point, and fixed boiling point. Compounds can only be separated by chemical methods, while mixtures can be separated by physical methods like filtration, evaporation, cooling, etc.
Okay, very good. Yes, you, Bharti.
Compounds are two or more elements chemically bonded with a fixed ratio by mass. Mixtures are two or more substances physically bonded and they have no fixed ratio. In
Okay,
compounds, the constituents do not show their properties. In
very
mixtures,
good,
the constituents do show their properties.
very good.
In compounds, they cannot be separated by physical methods, but mixtures can be separated by physical methods. Compounds have fixed formula, melting and boiling point, and mixtures do not have a fixed formula, melting or boiling point.
Good, very good. So you done with this one. Okay. So next is the difference between uh, colloids and true solutions in colloids. Okay. So here I'm just going to share it with you. The difference between colloids and mixtures. Sorry, colloids and true solution. Here it is. Memorize it fast.
The true solution, colloidal solution.
Yes, true solution and yeah, true solution and colloidal solution. You have to memorize. Memorized? Yes or no? Okay. Yes, everyone. Anam, memorized?
Yes, sir.
You, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone? Bharti, you done? Okay. Anan and you, Saad? Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then speak. What is the difference between true solutions and colloids? Saad, you.
So the size, so in true solution, the size of the smallest atom is 10 raised to minus 9 meter, and in colloids, the size of solute particles is small. Is smaller than true solution, but larger
Big,
than
bigger than true solution, but
bigger than true solution, but smaller than suspension.
What is the size? What is the size?
Between, it is in between 10 raised to minus 9 meter to 10 raised to minus 6 meter. And in a true solution, it is a homogeneous mixture, and in a colloidal solution, it seems homogeneous, but it is actually a heterogeneous mixture. A true solution shows Tyndall effect, but a true solution shows Tyndall effect, but
True solution do not show Tyndall effect. Do not show Tyndall effect. True solution do not show Tyndall effect.
A true solution does not show the Tyndall effect, and a true solution does not show the Tyndall effect, and a colloid shows Tyndall effect. The solution.
Okay. Next.
So the solution is transparent in a true solution, and in a colloid, the solution is translucent. In a true solution, the solute particles passes through filter paper, but it does not pass through it passes through filter paper and parchment paper. In colloids, it does not. It passes through filter paper, but it does not pass through parchment paper.
Okay. Okay. Yes, you are.
The size of particles of a true solution is less than 10 to the power minus 9 meter, while the size of particles of a colloidal solution is between 10 to the power minus 6 and 10 to the power minus 9 meter. A true solution is a homogeneous mixture, while colloids are a heterogeneous mixture. True solutions are transparent, while colloids are translucent. True solutions do not show Tyndall effect, while colloids show Tyndall effect. True solutions diffuse rapidly through parchment paper and filter paper, while colloids can only pass through filter paper but not parchment paper. Examples of true solution are sugar in water, while examples of colloids are milk and blood.
Okay, very good. Yes, Sarah.
In true solutions, the size of solute particles is smallest, which is 10 raised to minus 9 meter. And in colloidal solutions, it is smaller than suspension, but bigger than true solutions, which is 10 raised to minus 9 to 10 raised to minus 6. In true solutions are homogeneous mixtures, whereas colloidal solutions are heterogeneous mixtures. And true solutions are transparent, whereas colloidal solutions are translucent. And true solutions diffuse diffuse quickly in parchment paper and filter paper, whereas colloidal solutions diffuse in filter paper but not in parchment paper. And true solutions do not show Tyndall effect, whereas colloidal solutions show Tyndall effect.
Good, very good. What is Tyndall effect, Hanan? What is Tyndall effect?
Tyndall effect is in which the path of light will be visible.
Okay. Yes, means yes, you Bharti. Can you tell me what is Tyndall effect? What is Tyndall effect?
When a light beam is on, when particles scatter the beam of light and a path of light is visible, it is called the Tyndall.
Very, very proud of you. So now you understood the definitions for the true solutions. Okay, so start doing a simple question here on the concentration terms. Calculate the amount of solute present in 20% W by W solution if the mass of water of of solution is 200 grams. So let take it 180 grams. 180 grams. Calculated? Calculated, yes or no? Yes or no? Calculated?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, you are now done.
No, sir.
So are you doing it still or
Sir, I'm almost done.
okay, do it. Done, Saad? It's very simple that you can do. You can take the mass of solute into it, let it be x plus 180. It is 20% if you remove the sign of percentage. Okay, into 100. So this 100 will comes down. Okay, it will become 20 upon 100 is equals to x upon x plus 180. You cut it, you will get 1 by 5. Then if x plus 180 will goes to this side, and this 5 will goes to this side. So you will get x plus 180 is equals to 5x. So it will goes to that side and will become 4x is equals to 180. Then x is equals to 45. 45 grams. You understood this question now, Sarah and Hanan?
Yes, sir.
It's very simple. 20 and x plus, because we need to keep the mass of solution here. So it is only water. Water is solvent, not the solution. So again, we'll add x here. Anam, you understood?
Yes, sir.
So okay. So that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next class. Thanks for coming.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Zainab, how are you? Is I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also fine. Zainab, till the other student joins. Okay, write down the preparation of baking soda, washing soda, washing soda, caustic soda, a difference between a difference between uh, baking soda and baking powder, baking soda
All of
and
this before you come.
yes, baking powder. Note it down fast. And then please turn on the camera. Who's the Zoom user name?
Yes, sir. I will.
Turn on your camera, please.